So look who's back. It's Queen Charlene. So we just picked Charlene up from the airport and we had a bit of a breakdown on the way home, so Charlene had to walk some of it.
Yeah, she's into fitness now.
Oh yeah.
And we're just going to take Charlene up to show her the Templar suite because she hasn't seen it all finished. So yeah, should we go up?
Yeah.
She brings us sweeties. She always brings us sweeties, and we never know. So Madame's got our worm bars, but look at these. Look, nerds on a rope.
Oh wow!
I've never seen them before.
No.
See, we're so.
And she did bring Bovril.
Bovril. But the UK Customs confiscated it.
Yes, so Teddy Bear's got no Bovril.
Boo-hoo.
Right.
Where did I get the Bovril before? From the UK.
I think we bought it when we went to the UK.
But we put it in the hold, didn't we?
We put it in the hold. Right, let's go up. Take Charlene up.
Oh, sorry, two other people are coming. Four-legged people. Come on.
I've left that door.
Wait.
Oh, Charlene, just be careful because I knocked that off this morning. Right, you have to wait here.
Filming us both.
Oh yeah. Wait for Ted. You wait here a minute. Let me go and put all the lights on so you can
Who's it remind you of?
Sheila.
A week's worth of hijinks.
Hijinks. Well, I think of some sayings that people haven't heard, like.
Oh yeah, like how to do all the, if these
Are you
people.
gonna film
Can you
us?
see?
Right, you ready? Yeah.
Go.
In you go.
Table.
Yeah, oh yeah, you haven't seen the
so
table.
nice. I've forgotten about the table.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I love the table. So I've been working on this podcast. So I'm working on doing a podcast going back to all of the very early vlogs that we did and trying to revamp them and to take the awful music we had on there and try and
music?
No, we had some really awful.
Yeah, that awful music. Yeah.
No, we had some really
This is why he doesn't do it
loud
anymore.
music. It was like, I don't know what I was thinking anyway, but and trying to get the voice and tweaking it anyway. I know all the technical words are, and so on the very first one, I'm sitting here, and we did it so that I'm sitting here, and I say to people, please bear with us in the beginning because the quality isn't great. And because I think that sometimes puts a lot of people off if they go to the first one and see the quality's bad. And I just sort of talk them through the beginning.
Do you know who it didn't put off?
Who? Me.
No.
No, it didn't. And a lot of
No, and
then
there's an
pages as
awful
well.
lot of other people it
But
didn't.
what's
put
really
on.
nice is I'm sitting here and then I say, so watch the podcast and come back in 5 years' time and we'll talk about the end.
Yeah.
And we'll turn the last page of the chapter together. And I think it's really nice that I'm
Nice.
sitting at the last table that we did. And
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. I really like it.
it's good.
It
isn't
worked out so well.
It was, just
It really has.
just a door, and
Bit
I
of
love the
fun.
fact we left the key.
See, this is all they want me for.
I know, scratching their
Yeah,
bums.
scratch their bums.
But anyway, I'm really pleased with this room. I think it's lovely. We've still got to put pictures up on the wall. I've got some other pictures to do.
Yeah.
Actually, perhaps we could do that this week. Is
You can
get
do.
some pictures on the
Yeah,
wall.
you can do all that.
Excuse me. Get out.
Come here.
Get out.
Come here. Out. Out.
On the floor.
Come out.
On the sofa.
Bessie. Hold on.
It's quite comfy, isn't it?
Wow.
Yeah. It's quite comfy.
Yeah.
It's not bad, is it? It's a damn sight more comfortable than the ones we got at the moment.
I was amazed, right, that you managed to make it look like a couch out of a bed. Like, I just don't know how your mind works, but it's perfect.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's. When I looked at it, I just was thinking that would be such a result, and I didn't. The front piece where it's the bed.
This is
Yeah.
how attention to detail Teddy's, right?
Well-
So I'm not a chippy. Hang on, let me redo that. I can't do it. I'm
But leave it a couple of days and you...
Yeah, my Essex will come
The
back.
Essex will
but
come back.
Things like this.
Yeah, it all needs to be finished and you know, and I sat there and carved a little bit, but it
always
needs
the
to be
critic.
finished. Yeah, but you have to be, otherwise how would you progress? If you don't critique yourself, how do you
That's very
learn?
true.
How do you get
That's very
better?
true. Hello, baby.
Yeah, and the chair. I love this
The
chair.
chair is, I think the
I
chair
think is absolutely.
is coming
I love
with
this
us.
chair.
We're going to come with us.
Do you remember when me and Lisa were sorting out all that material last time we came? Because you were doing rag
Yeah.
gowns just for Christmas, so you were
Yeah.
serving all your material, and we found this material and we were like, oh, this is really nice, you need to do something with this.
It's just spot on. When
And
she
it
brought them
was
down,
Perfect amount.
she
Yeah.
she brought them both down. There was two that she brought down, and I just looked at that. I went, "That's the one. You got to be out. That's the one. It's perfect.
It looks really nice.
Absolutely
Let's go
stunning."
I sent Lisa a message the other week and said I need to try so many new chairs. Oh, that back support, oh yeah.
It's not bad, is it? You know, considering it's old commode. Considering, yeah, you was normally doing your number twos on it. But yeah, it used to have a hole in it. It used to have a hole in the bottom.
Someone's actually sat here sweating.
Possibly.
Perhaps I shouldn't have had all that meat for me tea. But
It's brilliant.
I think it's great. It's absolutely great. So, the way I remember it from last time, there was no bathroom. The time before that, we were pushing furniture up through the floor because that's the only way to get it upstairs. So, just seeing it like all come together is absolutely brilliant. And what I will mention, because I didn't mention it to you last time I came, you'd just done the fireplace last time I came.
Yeah.
And the camera angle just doesn't do it justice, I don't think. It looks so much nicer in real life.
Oh, it's stunning. I think
Yeah,
it's
it's
all
really
absolutely
nice.
beautiful.
And
Come
this-
together
this
real
shelf
nice.
again, Ted's wonderful handiwork. Have you screwed it down now?
No, I haven't. There's no need to. It's proper on there. I don't think I need to bother.
And I love like the fire that came from
Yeah.
Mikey.
Mikey's barn.
It's
You
like
know.
it was made for it, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's not plumbed in up there, but
It won't. Yeah, but
it's just
I just think
but
it's
it's
all.
lovely. It's really
Yeah.
nice. And I like these candelabras as well.
Yeah, I got them from Bon Quan.
That's me and me
Yeah,
youth.
the Bon Coin.
A little cherub.
Do you remember when we went to get them? We turned up. We travelled about an hour
To a church, wasn't it?
to a church, and we parked up in this car park, and there was nobody about. And suddenly, this old boy suddenly appeared with a box. Lisa gets out of the car. What's all this here? Like this box has these two in it. Loads of newspaper. Gives her the €40 or whatever it was.
That was it.
They're so laid back over it, aren't they? They are so laid
There was
back.
nobody. It was like in the middle of nowhere. There was this church. It was in a little sort of village, but it was just there was one guy, and we think, oh, what do
Just
we
remembered.
do? What do we do?
The mirror, I need to see the mirror. The
What mirror?
bathroom. The bathroom.
it's in there,
I've
yeah.
got the bathroom.
Right, yeah, in the bathroom.
See the bathroom.
Oh, it looks so much. This again looks so much better in real life. Like this, I loved. When you did this, I loved it. I absolutely loved it, but I
Come
wasn't
out.
sure about the mirror.
Bessie, come
But
out.
seeing them here together,
Come out.
it really does work. Doesn't
You
it?
like it?
Yeah,
That's
it really
incredible.
does
You could
work.
be honest.
It's a little bit Disney, but it.
But I think the
works.
mirror itself is a little bit Disney.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
Even the when it was black plastic.
I like that tap. That's fancy.
Yeah.
Water's not on.
No, because we had a slight issue.
Let's not talk about me. But I like this. I like the.
But
you've got
amazingly,
tiles matching.
I thought, I did panic a little bit, thinking it's very, very tight. But
No, it's perfect.
it's a bathroom. After all, it's comfortable enough to.
I remember you doing the studs for this
Yeah.
before the floor were even down and everything.
Everything was
Yeah.
everything was done. And then we didn't
And
have.
that's to me, I think the floor is my biggest surprise, and how
Yeah.
amazing, considering,
floor.
considering what it was like.
It had a massive cement thing here
Yeah.
that you had to chip out.
Well, you think about what it was when we first came.
It was all uneven and
when we first came. Obviously, I had a wall down here.
it had that wattle and daub wall there, didn't
Yeah.
it?
It had a wall down here, because it had
A bathroom.
it had a toilet and a shower, and a toilet and a shower, either side of this wall.
Yeah.
There was 2 rooms in here with no natural light because the window was in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So it's dark and dark. Green flock wallpaper on the walls.
I remember that wall.
And tomettes, like hexagonal tomettes on the floor.
Which Yvonne and Andy took. They bought them off of us.
So that was all over there. And then when we lift these up, there was all of the concrete underneath was just coming up and coming up. We're thinking, oh, well, this is good. Down to the little wooden boards. However, round here, it was all wired. So it was all reinforced.
Yeah.
So it took forever, didn't it, to get up?
And but you'd made that chute, which was brilliant because we put everything down the chute out the window.
What's really weird, and the recap video that you did quite recently was a really, really good vlog because you forget, because you're going on with the process, you forget what's going on.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to mention this.
The curved wood, which I didn't actually include.
Into doing that.
Yeah.
And
That took forever, didn't it?
It took a while, but it came out all right. It hasn't moved, which is...
It came out all
at the
right.
moment. It came out all right. It's all right.
I think it looks great. I think,
It works, doesn't it? It's like the bed. The bed, when Lisa dressed the bed, it just looked stunning. I just thought, I am a bit proud of that. I am massively proud of what we did with this floor. And I thank Mr. Paul Jones very, very long time ago who gave me the idea of how to do it, how to level it off. But obviously all the hard work was done by me, and thanks again Pete Orr for helping me drop those, and Karsten, and Rob, and Kirsten when they came. They all helped us do all this.
Yeah, because you went off into hospital to have the operation and left.
Then cut a bit off my thumb, cut a bit off my thumb, and then went into hospital. But and it's just, but things like.
Yeah, I absolutely adore that piece of wood.
You've got a bit of weeping wood.
Yeah, you will have, because it was green. So it's the thing is, the nice thing, you can just wax over that, and eventually.
Yeah.
I love these.
They're mad, aren't they?
Thank God I did my nails before you did that.
I think it's so tactile though, this piece of wood.
I would, going forward, I would like to do a lot more of that.
Yeah.
Do it, this. I'm I like that, but this I'm kind of very, very sort of pleased with.
Yeah.
Get off the bed!
Hit me like one of your French girls.
Was you hoping to be sleeping in here?
Yeah.
Was you? You could have done.
No, but
you can't use the bathroom.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
You can't use the bathroom until I plumb in I've plumbed everything in, but we just got one little bit electricity to do. So the ballon will be operational.
Oh yeah, the ballon's
not operational. So no, but I do like that. I do like that a bit. And you see this up here?
What? Yes.
Oh, that's pretty. Have you showed that before?
I don't know if anyone can see this, but it actually says L&T.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
I've just scribed it in there.
Oh, you little cutie. Have you showed this before?
It looks.
What's that?
The worst.
Right up there. That's really cute.
Yeah, we did sort of when we was putting it up. That was again in the Bracon. All of the lights in here come from the
silly
Bracon.
little things like again those
Yeah, I love them.
They're so nice.
And with the little
See, this is my problem. If somebody buys this place, and wants to buy all the furniture, I'm going to be really gutted to leave. Mainly the lights.
Well, yeah.
I'll be gutted to leave all these lights. Yeah.
This is the other thing as well, is that what we've got to understand is that most of these lights were not operational and were not supposed to be where they are. So we've had to make all this, rewire everything. For the first one downstairs in the salon, where you sat there and rewired it one night.
Yeah.
Got all your cables out, actually did it all, and then we do. These were all right, but that one needed rewiring. These needed rewiring, and all that sort of thing. That just. You do.
It's all the silly little things, isn't it?
You don't even think about it, right? You just do it. Oh, that needs doing. Boom, off you do it.
This material, I remember when you went shopping for this material. It's so nice. I'm glad you got to. You didn't manage to find a lot of it, did you?
No,
so
I managed to find it online, and that was it. Only had enough to do. Yeah.
That was the last. There was the last bit, wasn't it?
Can I just mention the controversial light switch?
Yes.
Okay. The black one, you couldn't see it. No one had no idea where the light switch were. It stands out, but you can see it to turn it on and off.
And I think the black one just didn't go. It just didn't look right.
Well, it's all right. It's all right, Annie. I wouldn't mind it.
So, overall, I will give you, out of 10...
It's never too early for a 10 from Charlene!
Obviously 10.
I thought she was going to say 8.5 then.
I wasn't sure about the creppy on the walls when you first started putting the colour on, but seeing all the room come together, I think it really works.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it. Considering that it's all dark wood as well, it's not a dark room.
And one more thing that I was very jealous about, Karsten, was when Lisa let you out of this one.
I know.
I was really jealous about this when I seen it on the vlog. Really jealous.
He should feel very privileged because he is the only person I've ever let mortar a wall, isn't he?
Apart from
Got
Mikey.
one other person, Mikey.
Oh, Mikey, of course.
Mikey.
Yeah, no, but I mean, I taught Mikey.
Yeah.
But I mean a volunteer or somebody coming over.
Oh, yeah.
I did the boot room floor, so...
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Are you feeling at home? You are not supposed to be up here, are you? No, you are not supposed to be up here.
Together.
So, the Queen is back and she's going to be working all week with me this week. No, what can we say? So the Queen is back in residence and yeah, we should have a flag, shouldn't we? That we
should
put
have a
up,
flag.
Charlene flag.
Well, I'm a bit disappointed there were no red carpets, to be honest.
After being promised it.
I know.
Anyway, it was really nice to show Charlene around the room and quite nice for you to see from somebody's point of view, seeing it for the first time. Anyway, come back on Friday when we'll show you what Charlene's been up to all week. We'll see you then.
Like and subscribe.
Thumbs up.
I see you.
Up your nose. Now go and straighten that bed after you jumped on it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's cold in here, isn't it?
It is cool.
You could live in here, couldn't you? You know, if you had your little...
Like, even just the different levels, I just have no idea how it was going to work. And
Oh, God, nor did we.
And
That's the thing.
paneling. Like, every time I look around, there's something new.
2 old doors, mate.
Yeah, and I really like that picture as well. That
Yeah,
framed view.
that was-
Charlene, wasn't it you that came to the reclamation yard to get the doors?
Yeah.
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 I was going to say, I'm sure.
Oh,
Charlene
no, it might have
came
been
through
panels.
Terry's.
Did we
No,
have
we were
Steve's
looking for
van? Did
panels.
we have Steve's van?
We went for something, it were wardrobes,
Yeah.
and we brought them up through the floor.
I thought you came
Because I
with
nearly
us
bought
looking
that
for
foraging
doors.
basket and they wanted 14 euros.
Yeah, that
And I
was
was
it.
like, nah.
Conflon, is it? We went
Yeah.
down a Conflon for that.
Yeah,
Yeah, because these were about 40 quid, weren't they?
yeah,
We got the
That's-
panels for the
I quite like this as well.
piggeries.
yeah.
I quite like this.
Yeah.
Bearing in mind I made this ages ago, because this, the thing with this is that the door frame doesn't do that.
Oh, yeah,
it
it
doesn't do
wasn't
that.
square,
It does
was it?
this.
Yeah, you can
And
see
how the hell, when me and Karsten offered this up, I was just like, I don't believe it. It fits. And I didn't take it. I made it, and I didn't take it. I didn't take anything off it. Didn't change it at all.
It's beautiful
How the hell
door,
did it
that.
fit?
I love that. And then even the old this that came off
Oh,
of
yeah.
something else that we found out that
Yeah.
Carlston found a
Yeah,
load of
yeah.
ironwork, didn't
And
he?
that worked, yeah.
It's brilliant.
Yeah.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It is bonkers.
So, you like it?
I really like it.
Right, come on you two.